What's going on, guys? It's TSP Chiz here, and today we're reviewing this fidget spinner right here. And this fidget spinner costs like about $2, and I'm gonna review it and see if it's worth it or not. So yeah, let's get on to the video. And brought to you by Henny D. Just kidding, I'm not sponsored. But no, I'm seriously not sponsored. Yeah, so I just pranked you guys. It's not even April 1st yet, so you're welcome.
Let's see how much this could go. In 3, 2, 1.
Not that fast. That's sad. That's just sad. Now this is how you look like once you spin it. Wait, I suck. Wait, another try. Fudge. Bruh. I'm controlling your mind. I'm controlling your mind. Whoa. Wait, let me time this out perfectly. Let's get it. This might be... Oh my god, you're breaking my freaking iPad. Bro. So, as you could see, this is 2017, but people used this in 2016. But I just still want to try it out. I just got this. A friend gave it to me. Let's just put this boy and sell this. This one kid, I said, if you want this, he will say for $3 for this. But it actually costs like $2. That's what my friend said. So, hope you like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. And if you want to subscribe to the video, look, this is what you get. A freaking fidget spinner. You probably don't want a fidget spinner, but you still get a fidget spinner. So, see ya guys next time. Peace.